Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to create this marquee effect in Figma. I've already separated 6 text elements here. They are separate, and to get started, we're going to create a frame with a width of 1440 by 1024. Now, we'll select these text elements, and with a right click, add an auto layout. Next, let's come here to this option and align the elements horizontally. We'll change the spacing between elements to 40 pixels. Now we'll select this frame here and drag it all the way to the end of the last element. Okay, I'm going to change the name of this frame to block of elements, so we can create this marquee effect or infinite scroll. We'll need 3 blocks of elements aligned to the right. So, holding Alt, I'll drag and drop. Keeping it here, let's select both blocks and maintain the same spacing of 45 pixels. And I'll do this one more time, holding Alt, keeping the spacing of 45 pixels. Alright, now I'll select these 3 blocks of elements with a right click and add a frame selection, which will turn these 3 blocks into a single frame. This frame can be called anything. I'll call it master just for clarity. Now I'll select this frame, and from the right corner, we'll resize it to match the width of our frame. Since we're using a frame of 1440, this frame needs to be 1440 as well. Alright, now we have this master frame with a width of 1440. Now, let's come here to the clip content option so we can display only the elements that are inside our frame. Perfect. Now let's create a component from this master frame. We'll click here and click again to add a variant. Now, in this second variant, we'll double-click to access the blocks of elements. We'll select the 3 blocks of elements and drag them to the left. We'll go until we reach a point where we can align the top elements with the bottom elements. I'll zoom in to make sure they're aligned. Once that's done, we'll start with the prototyping part. I'll select this first variant, go to the Prototype tab, and drag and drop. Now I'll select the After Delay option and change the time to 1 millisecond. We'll keep this option as Smart Animate. Change it from Ease Out to Linear, and the animation will be 30,000 milliseconds. It already changed here to 10,000 milliseconds. Alright, now we'll select this second variant and drag it back to the first one. We'll change this from On Click to After Delay 1 millisecond. Here we'll change from Smart Animate to Dissolve. Actually, we can keep it as Smart Animate. The only thing we'll change is the animation time to 1 millisecond as well. Now we can test it. I'll just change the color of this frame to black. Let's go to the Assets tab and drag our component here. Now let's test. As you can see, We've successfully created this marquee effect. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment as well. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel to get future tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.